There's the LNER 458. There's the Friendly Former BR Signalman and the LNER driver, who is the most amazing volunteer ever. Oh goodness. Smile you. Smile you two, you're on camera. What a good smile he has. Smile you two. Oh. Smile you two. As always, you make your most appearances in HP on the videos. Have you seen most of them feature you?
No, I don't. So I'm not online.
Oh no, but when you watched them with your son many months ago, did you see the ones with you on?
Oh yeah.
Do you see most of them have you in them? Didn't your cousin watch one? Didn't you say also your cousin saw it as well as your son? Because you saw it with your cousin as well. Some of eight.
Just a movie.
What?
Just movie.
Oh, okay, just a movie, not the HP videos.
No.
Oh, okay. But you're looking in amazing shape, by the way. You're looking really well. You're looking in amazing shape, by the way. You're really looking well. It's almost 80. You're looking in amazing shape. You're looking better. There's the Friendly Former BR Signalman just standing outside the shed. There's the LNER 458 just steaming itself in the HP sidings. And there's the LNER 458 driver, the LNER driver. And the Friendly Former BR Signalman. Bit steamy, so it's hard to see. It's certainly a steamer. What a good smile he has. Your smile really stands out well on the video. Your smile really goes well on the video. And in the picture, yes. It really goes well whenever there's a picture of you. You really have a good smile. Friendly 79-year-old. Oh, the Friendly Former BR Signalman, sorry. It's the Friendly Former BR Signalman, as usual, on video. Percy's driver. And there are some other volunteers who we saw back. Well, I saw the one in the Hawaiian shirt back in August. There's the Friendly Former BR Signalman chatting away with the enthusiastic volunteer. He's just eating his lunch. Oh, and there's Percy's driver having a nice bite to eat too. And there's the Ambesper driver. Oh, and now he's having his nice cup of tea. The Friendly Former BR Signalman, the most amazing volunteer of all time.
Oh, hi. I understand that you don't put stars. Yeah, and I've only got one thing. Hold up, hold up.
One of the most amazing volunteers ever. Well, he's just walking in. Oh, well, he's now going to take a seat. There he goes. The Friendly Former BR Signalman and volunteers. Did you enjoy your cameos?
Oh yes.
You're going to look forward to watching them on YouTube.
Yes, I always do.
That's nice. How many times a day do you watch my HB videos?
Well, not a daily, I don't.
Oh, okay,
I
not
watch
daily.
it maybe
A few times a week. Okay. How often do you... Oh, sorry, never mind. But do you enjoy watching them?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
The Friendly Former BR Signalman, and Train's the tremendous train spotter in the cameo, making his cameo appearance. And the Friendly Former BR Signalman. Thanks, Trains.